Hey y'all, welcome back to Small Town Southern Wife. Today we're starting our big adventure and I wanted to share this with y'all. We're having a grandbaby. Travis and me found out about a week and a half after Easter or so that TJ and Devon are having their first baby, and we wanted to share this with y'all. Me and Devon today are starting the cooking and we're going to do their gender reveal tomorrow. And it's also the 4th of July. So all this is based on the 4th of July event, and at the end you'll find out what our new grandbaby's going to be. So we wanted to share this with all of y'all that watch our videos and like Small Town Southern Wife's content. So come on, and this is going to be a video like we've never made before. It's a big surprise. And with all this being said, before we start the party, I can say me and Travis will be glad when the very end is here. We've got the envelope 2.5 weeks ago, so we've had to keep this secret and get all this bought and organized that they showed us that they wanted to get ready for this big surprise. So come on, and we're finally glad it's time to let the cat out of the bag. Y'all come on, and at the very end we'll see what we're gonna have, a he or a she. Be careful. Devon's putting her gender reveal cake in the oven. What will it be? A girl or a boy?
I think they'll all three fit on the top.
I bet you can wiggle it in there, maybe. How long do you got to cook it for?
25 minutes. So I'm going to do like 23 minutes.
And then watch it.
Yeah, especially with that one on the bottom.
Because this is the first time baking in that oven. We're doing all these fruit trays and vegetable trays. We've been working since we got back from shopping all evening. And we're going to do pigs in the blanket too, right?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Am I doing it right, Bruce?
Yep. He's our boss man. Bruce, are you the boss? You keeping up with all of it?
Pasta salad.
Is there noodles in it already?
Yeah.
Here's the one cake, the red one. And there's the white one. And the blue one. And over here she's making her pasta salad. We're going to have to make a recipe and show them how to do that.
Yeah.
But that's how it's turning out right there. And she's still got a lot more to go. We got to decorate the cake if we don't give out first.
I know it. We've been going for a minute.
And over here we got the little pig in the blankets going. And the vegetable tray, some more of the fruit tray, all the chips. And TJ's out getting the drinks. And we got pickles.
Those are for me.
Yep. We know who's eating those pickles. It'll get you making that sound.
It's going to get my belly.
Yep. Oh yeah, that's what we wanted to get right there.
I look like a beached whale.
Well, now they know why. We're doing a gender reveal.
Ooh, buddy.
How much more would all you like to put in there?
Broccoli, garbanzo beans, and some chunks of cheese.
So you're almost done with it.
Almost. And this last box of pasta. I hope that bird didn't poop in my car.
I wonder why them doors, the whole 4 doors were open in the hatchback. I thought, well, Lord, TJ, what is he doing now?
Causing trouble.
Leaving all the doors open.
Come on, ball.
I thought it was because of your flowers.
Yeah.
I guess I ought to take it out there and get him working. Doing something.
Oh.
Oh, there he comes.
Sound like bursted something bad.
Oh, here, he just come in.
Hey, you want pepperonis? Oh my god, pepperonis! I love pepperonis.
What are you doing? Is he in here? Oh, it sounds like he might be in the laundry room.
He's in the bathroom.
Oh.
We couldn't tell if that was the dogs or you.
She know where I'm at. She always. Always know where I'm at.
Pepperonis.
Bruce snuck in.
Huh?
Bruce snuck in.
What's that?
Looks like some kind of plant.
Look at her stuff over there.
What are you doing? Oh, that's a. Are you recording?
Yeah.
What's up?
You go steer him.
Yeah, look at what angle she's getting.
Don't you hit it.
Yeah, he says, look at Bruce. He says, oh, me pushing on it's gonna hurt it, and he's over here slapping the baby.
Look, hand me the phone now for a minute. I'm gonna get him doing that. See if I can put it right here. Aim it this way. So it'll come back.
No, he'll come back. Here. Show
Bruce, look. You can see his hand. Come on, do it. Look what I got.
He's such a goober.
Hey, I might use that on cat, like the cat lady on there. Three
Yeah.
Southern cats.
Yep.
I can make me a dog channel. Crazy Beagle.
What's this for? I don't remember. Oh, this. Here. Alright.
Alright, that's
Oh my goodness. That looks good.
it does.
You think I look pregnant enough?
I think you can't hide it in that. We know it for sure now. Okay, Alan, what do you think it's gonna be? A he or a she?
I think it's gonna be a boy. It's gonna be a. Oh no, a girl. I said a girl. I think it's a girl. A she. I think it's a girl.
Okay, that's your vote. Okay, what do you think the baby's gonna be?
I think it's a little boy. Baby
Okay,
boy
so
Williams.
he for Haley. Okay, what's your pick?
I think I'm gonna have a grandson. Another grandson.
All right, this is Devon's mama, y'all.
I think it's a
Hey, okay, Victoria says a he. Tell Michael, what do you think it's gonna be?
I think it's gonna be a boy.
Okay, so a he.
Is there like
team
teams?
boy.
You're
I'm team boy. down the middle, yeah. You know he about did. I see you about cut it right there.
Gonna cut one layer at a time.
And blue. Yeah. That's red, white, and blue cake. I like her.
All right, which color do you want?
I like her.
I think you can eat all of them.
Skylar, break them in good. But pick,
Devon, good job. I don't know what you're doing, but you're doing
I'm
it.
holding up the slice from not falling over.
Oh, is there another one right? He's just over there talking.
What?
It's about to fall.
I didn't see that there was another slide.
Yeah,
I was
it's
just
like tumbling.
nice. Ooh, look at there, all in one plate.
I know he lives like
Victoria knows how to do it.
5 seconds.
What?
Is that too much for you?
It probably is the sweet
I know.
Different spoon? Are y'all sure?
She might get pregnant. Mom might get pregnant.
Oh, okay.
More cake?
Thank you.
I don't even know if it's a piece.
I'll take one. Connor,
Michael ain't got, I want a piece.
Okay.
you gonna eat over there?
It falls. That's all I
I
need.
saw them eating here earlier. That's
All
why.
right, Randy, get ready.
Oh, yeah. Better safe than sorry. Do you want this?
Oh!
Hey, that's how we felt trying to put it together.
You want another piece?
No.
We got enough. You keep cutting, Victoria. A couple people want some.
Huh?
Keep cutting. A couple people want some.
Here, Michael.
I'm just holding the plates. I would double plate that.
That, he needs, somebody else wants ones too, G.
He wants some.
Oh, you're waiting on me?
Oh God.
Use the fork underneath.
I'm not sure who else wants.
There you go. Cut that. There you
Wow,
go.
big piece.
That's better.
They'll pop the poppers.
Now, how do you pop that?
We need to.
All right, so Daddy wanted me to tell you where this shotgun come from. This was his. He got this when he was 6 from Papa Emery.
Wow. Don't miss.
3, 2, 1.
Wow.
T-Bread!
Yeah.
It's biodegradable.
It'll get mowed up.
Girl Juju, yes, I win.
TJ, you didn't miss. Congratulations. You got a baby girl coming. Yeah.
It works every time.
We were right. I want to have their moment.
Yes,
She got some in her hair.
How did she get it on her?
I mean, I knew I was going to be. So.
Well, they probably shot her.
Yeah, someone probably shot her.
No, I have 2 girls and 3 boys.
You had a girl first?
No, I'm talking grandkids. I'll have
I know.
I have 3 boys right now with her
You didn't teach me how to be a girl dad.
That's all that matters.
A girl dad.
We don't care about the rest of the grandkids. All that matters
When you
is
get
just
up
having a girl and
at
I
2
want
o'clock in the
one.
morning, it's like,
Yeah.
oh man.
So it's Riley Madison.
Riley Madison.
Yeah.
That's a pretty name.
Yeah.
Well, good thing I didn't think of a boy name.
Yeah, no, we didn't have a boy name, so
We only had a girl name.
that's good. Funny. Yeah.
Girl
But you
dad.
got your little girl.
Girl dad, yeah.
And I might can get some sleep tonight.
That's
Yeah.
awesome.
I told you, your dad gave hints.
I know. That's awesome.
We finally get to buy a whole bunch of girl stuff.
Yeah.
Hey, Trina, we never had a girl before.
No, I know. We got to go buy girl stuff.
Oh, they're all so excited.
Yeah.
All right. So everybody pick up one of these each.
Everybody pick one up.
That's exciting. Thank y'all for coming.
Well, give me a hug, even though I got the camera.
Now the party really starts.
Oh, yeah. We're going to have to buy
So
girl
is it really
stuff.
hard?
I told you.